Cooking a pot roast is a classic low and slow process. The goal is to take a tough, marbled cut of beef and transform it into something that pulls apart with a fork. This recipe uses the Dutch oven method, which is widely considered the best for deep flavor. The meat: beef chuck roast, best for marbling, 3-4 pounds. Yellow onion, cut into thick wedges. 1 large garlic, minced or smashed. 4 to 6 cloves. Carrots, peeled and cut into 2-inch chunks. 4 to 5 large Yukon Gold potatoes, halved or quartered. 1.5 pounds, fresh thyme and rosemary tied with string, 3 sprigs each. Liquids: beef broth, low sodium, 2 to 3 cups. Dry red wine, Cabernet or Merlot, 1/2 cup optional. Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon. Tomato paste, 2 tablespoons. Olive oil, salt and pepper, bay leaves. As needed. 1. Prep and sear the meat. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Pat the roast completely dry with paper towels. This is the secret to a good crust. Season every side generously with salt and pepper. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Sear the meat for 5 to 7 minutes per side until a deep brown crust forms. Remove the meat and set it aside on a plate. 2. Sauté the aromatics. In the same pot, don't wash it. Lower the heat to medium. Add the onions and cook for 3 to 5 minutes until softened. Stir in the garlic and tomato paste, cooking for 1 minute until fragrant. Deglaze. Pour in the red wine or a splash of broth and use a wooden spoon to scrape up all the brown bits from the bottom. This is where the flavor lives. 3. Build the braise place, the seared roast, back into the pot on top of the onions. Pour in the beef broth and Worcestershire sauce until the liquid comes halfway up the side of the meat. Tuck the herb bundle and bay leaves into the liquid. 4. The long braise. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid and place it in the oven. Cook for 2 hours. 5. Add the vegetables. Carefully remove the pot from the oven. Arrange the potatoes and carrots around the roast, submerging them slightly in the liquid. Cover and return to the oven for another 1 to 1.5 hours. The roast is done when it is fork tender, meaning a fork slides in and out with zero resistance. 6. Rest and serve. Transfer the meat and vegetables to a platter. Cover with foil and let them rest for 15 minutes.